Good morning. Today's video is gonna be a reset routine. I recently just moved into a new apartment. I'm sure you could tell by the video. I'm in a whole new room. I have my own bathroom, which is so nice. But yeah, so today's video is just kind of getting myself into a routine again. I'm gonna go to the gym. I haven't gone in about a month, so I wanted to start going right away just so I can get into going regularly. I've decided I kind of want to act like I have an 8 to 5 job, if you could say that. I have my own little desk set up here, which I had at my old apartment, but it was never inviting, I guess. So I bought a bunch of new things and I'm just really excited to set up my desk and kind of make it a little work spot. But I'm very, very, very excited. Besides that, I really wanted to say thank you so much to GlassesUSA.com for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over 3 pairs of glasses from their website. I'm obsessed with them. You guys could probably tell this is a pair here, and they're a little mauve-y pink color. And if you couldn't tell by my room, pink is pretty much my favorite color, so I love these so much. These are the blue light kind, and they're so big and chunky. I just love how it looks, and it's perfect for me because I'm constantly looking at a screen all day. If I'm working on a video, blue light glasses are great. And then I have another blue light pair, and these are the second ones, which I also love. Then they have this print on the side here, so they're clear in the front, and then they have that. And these ones, I love how they look. I think they're so cute. I can't decide which one I like more, honestly. I didn't put a prescription in them, but you can easily put in your prescription on the website if you are looking to get some prescription glasses as well as blue light, so you can put them both on there, which is really convenient, and that feature is really cool. And then the third pair I am also obsessed with. So these are just some sunglasses, and you guys, I don't have any sunglasses that look like this. Mine are all round shape. If you're interested, I will have all the links to GlassesUSA.com in the description box. It's also really nice, something that I used on their website. They have a spot where you can insert a picture of you and put the glasses on you so you can see what they look like before you actually buy them. It helped me pick out my glasses because I didn't really know how they look different on everyone, so it's hard to tell what they're gonna look like on you. A really cool feature that they also have is that there is free returns on their website, so you can ship them back and get a refund for free 100% within 14 days. By cutting out the middleman, GlassesUSA.com offers over 10,000 prescription lenses on their website, including in-house brands as well as designer brands like Ray-Ban, Gucci. They can be up to 70% off the retail price, so definitely be sure to go check them out. And thank you so much to GlassesUSA.com for sponsoring today's video. Guys, like I said, I am going to head to the gym this morning. I have not been in so long, and I'm really excited to just get my body moving again. The only bad thing about this move is that I actually have to drive to the gym now instead of walking, which kind of sucks, but because last time my apartment was literally next door to the gym, so I just walked over. This is the outfit that I'm wearing. I wore this in one of my last videos, but I haven't actually worn it to the gym yet. So before I go, I really wanted to journal a little bit because I've been trying to do this every morning and just kind of getting my thoughts out and sitting with my thoughts for a little bit, and it's really helped me. This is my journal here, and what I like to do is I just go online and find 3 journal prompts that I like and write about them. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just made it back from the gym. I honestly did kind of a quick workout. I didn't want to do too much because if I overdo it, then I'm sore for like 4 days. I tried not to overdo it, but I did some legs, And then at the end I was going to do Stairmaster, but I did those calf pushes and I knew if I did the Stairmaster it was going to be like for 2 minutes and I was going to be dead, so I didn't even bother. I'm actually going to go downstairs and eat something quickly before I shower because it's already 10 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything yet and I probably should get something in my stomach. So I'm gonna go make some oatmeal. I haven't made it in a very long time. We are officially all ready for the day. I was gonna do makeup and then I was like, why would I do that? I'm literally not going anywhere today. I'm gonna make some coffee now. It is so gloomy out today. It thunderstormed for like 2 hours probably, and now it's like sprinkling and it's just so gloomy and I wish it was sunny. Okay, let's make some coffee. Okay, first step is picking out some coffee. This is the only espresso I have because I accidentally ordered the wrong stuff. I have a double shot or a single shot. I think I'm gonna do the double because the single is like the highest caffeine amount and I don't need that much, even though 2 shots is a lot. Okay, whatever. Anyways, and I take some white chocolate and I'm gonna pour some in. Not too much because you don't want it to be too sweet. That was a huge fail because when I went to get my ice, I realized that my mini fridge was not on. Like, it's literally plugged in, the light is working, it's just not cooling. Like, I don't hear that fan going, but I made my coffee. I'm gonna leave it unplugged for a little bit and see if it'll work in like 30 minutes if I plug it in. It's literally brand new. Like, we just got it a week ago. And my ice was halfway melted. I got some in here, but I'm gonna go take my milk and ice cream downstairs. I gave up on my fridge because it's not turning back on, so I just took some stuff downstairs. But I have a lot to do today, so I'm gonna make a to-do list, which I haven't done in forever. I'm actually gonna make it in my plan because I haven't made one in here yet. Oh my gosh, I have to make my monthly goals too because it's August 1st. I'm just gonna do it on like the side here and there somewhere. Here's my little to-do list for today. So I need to do my monthly goals, August video planning. I want to create a new MacBook home screen, import move-in footage, edit video. I'm gonna try to upload it tomorrow, and then I need to do the thumbnail for that, and then I need to make a Pinterest post, which I will talk to you guys a little bit more about when I get there. So first things first, I am going to do my monthly goals because of course it's the 1st of August and I'm so excited for just planning out my goals and stuff. You guys, things have been looking up so much and I'm just in a really good place in life right now, and I've just been able to focus a lot more on my channel and me and doing what I love to do. So I'm really happy. I'm just very content with life and I'm trying to enjoy it before school starts again because I know when it comes it's literally going to hit me like a bus. It's gonna be so intense this year. Let's go ahead and do our monthly goals. I don't even know. Actually, I want to look at my goals from the last time I did them and see what all I checked off. Okay, here are my goals for August. You can pause if you want to read them all, but I'm really pushing myself this month, so I'm very excited for what's to come, and I can't wait for you guys to see. Something I'm actually gonna do that I don't normally do is I'm gonna leave this out and like set it up here. Like normally I would put it in a drawer, but I'm just gonna set it right there so I can look at it all month and just keep myself motivated and like reaching for the stars. Get ready for back to school videos because those are coming as well. I did one last week or like 2 weeks ago, but it wasn't like super crazy back to school, and they're coming up, so be ready for the college vlogs. Now I need to plan out my videos for the month. So for this I'm gonna use Notion just because it's a lot easier to organize. Here we have all of my video ideas and when I'm gonna film and when I'm uploading. So lots to look forward to this month. It's not like set in stone, but this gives me a good idea of videos I can film and what I want to film. Much later. It is almost 2 o'clock now, but I actually have been working on stuff for a while. I ended up importing my footage and I made a thumbnail for my video for my moving vlog, and then I also changed my desktop for August since it is the beginning of a new month. I wanted to make my own desktop picture, so I'll show you that. So this is the one that I made for August. Thought it turned out really cute. I still need to change these folder icons, but I'm gonna wait to do those for my preparing for classes video, so that will be coming. I need to edit this video. There's almost 2 hours worth of footage, so I need to start doing that. The last thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was my Pinterest. I'm sure if you're not living under a rock, you have seen all of the like TikToks about Pinterest and how you can make money on it, and it honestly really intrigued me because I have loved Pinterest for literally as long as I can remember. I have always gone on there for inspiration. I have so many pins on there. I just was like, well, if I can literally make my own idea pins to make money, why don't I just like literally why don't I do that? So I've been trying to get more into Pinterest and I've been creating my own idea pins. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, just go on TikTok and look it up because it's everywhere right now. I'm gonna show you guys what I have so far. So these are just some that I created. So I have 5 of my own. I just started doing it like 3 days ago. I thought these pictures were cute, and so I created those, and then I have literally so many pins on here and so many different folders. So if you guys are interested in following me on Pinterest, it is Allyssa Robertson 1. I always have it in my description box as well. Yeah, I just thought I would start doing that. But other than that, all day for the rest of the night, I'm just going to be editing, or day, I guess. How I said earlier, I wanted to do like the 8 to 5 work day. Obviously, it's not going to be that long because I didn't even get back from the gym and around until like 10:30. So maybe I'll do like 11 to 4 or 5. But I just really want to focus on like keeping YouTube and like all my social media separate, and just making sure that I'm still spending time doing other stuff, if that makes sense. I don't want it to take over my life, and I want to have like a work-life balance because obviously this is my job, so it's important that I have that separation. I just want to try it and see if it works because I need to be able to have a balance, especially if I'm gonna be doing this for a while. that is going to be all for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much to GlassesUSA.com for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested, be sure to look at the link in my description box. I will have everything there. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!